Oklahoma.
Good Friday morning, everybody. We're starting the day with some showers, some breezy conditions. The rain becomes a little bit steadier, if not heavier, this afternoon, with some thunder possible as well. Temperatures today around 15 to 20 degrees above average, most of us ending up between 65 and 70. We should be in the 30s overnight tonight. Instead, it'll be around 40 to 45 degrees under overcast skies, and a southwesterly breeze throughout the day, 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting 20 to 30. And temperatures fall, but the rain chances don't heading into Saturday and Sunday.
Coming up, we should do this.
Your eyewitness weather forecast.
Good Friday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed with your eyewitness weather forecast for today, which includes breezy conditions, some showers this morning. The rain does become a little bit steadier, if not heavier, as we head into this afternoon. Can't even rule out a few rumbles of thunder. And temperatures today, a good 20 degrees above seasonal averages. Our sunset tonight at 7:33. Helping to boost those temperatures is a south-southwesterly breeze at around 10 to 20 miles an hour. But throughout the day and into this evening, we'll have gusts of 20 to 30, but nonetheless we'll have temperatures up toward the north that are into the lower, if not the middle 60s. From the valley on toward the south, you'll be into the middle and upper 60s to within a couple of degrees of 70. Overnight tonight, we should typically be down into the 30s. Tonight will be around 40 to 45 degrees under overcast skies, and that southwesterly breeze at around 10 to 20 miles an hour, continuing along with those gusts of 20 to 30. But at least we'll dry out briefly, not so much as we head into Saturday, and especially Easter Sunday with falling temperatures. I'll have that full forecast coming up tonight on Eyewitness News at 6. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Hello, Central.
Much Thomas, and a good Friday morning to everybody. Today we will definitely see some of those spring-like temperatures that you were just talking about. We will see breezy conditions, though, with showers this morning, and then it becomes a steadier and, if not heavier, rain as we head through this afternoon. Can't even rule out a few rumbles of thunder. Sunset tonight at 7:33. Winds out of the south and southwest at around 10 to 20 miles an hour, but there will be gusts at times of 20 to 30, and temperatures a good 20 degrees above average for this time of year, thanks to that southwesterly breeze. Up toward the north, you'll be into the lower, if not the middle 60s. From the valley on toward the south, you'll be in the middle and upper 60s to within a couple of degrees of 70. Overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures back into the lower, if not the middle 40s under overcast skies, but will dry out briefly. Winds out of the southwest at around 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting 20 to 30. That'll continue. And then as we head through our Saturday, it's still breezy, and there is the chance of a few thunder showers as we head into the afternoon before temperatures fall on our Easter Sunday. I'll have that full forecast coming up tonight at 6. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Get your forecast only on Eyewitness News.
Hello,
Thanks so much, Thomas, and a good Friday morning to you, everybody. Today we'll see breezy conditions with showers this morning, and the rain becomes a bit steadier and even heavier this afternoon. Can't even rule out a rumble of thunder. Temperatures in the upper 60s to within a couple of degrees of 70. That's nearly 20 degrees above average for this time of year. Sunset tonight at 7:33. Helping to boost those temperatures is a south-southwesterly breeze at around 10 to 15 miles an hour or so. With that being said, we will be a little bit cooler up toward the north, more like the low to mid 60s there. To the south of the valley will be into the middle, if not the upper 60s, to right around 70 degrees in the valley itself. Overnight tonight, we'll see overcast skies, temperatures dropping to around 40 to 45 degrees on a southwesterly breeze at around 10 to 15 miles an hour. And both today and tonight, there will be gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour. And then as we go through our Saturday, it'll be breezy still, a little bit cooler, and there will be some thunder showers before temperatures drop as we head through Sunday. And I'll have that full forecast on cnyhomepage.com and coming up tonight at 6. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Just past 6:12 now on your early Friday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking a still mild Saturday, but it'll be followed by much colder conditions, some wind, and even a bit of rain and possibly some thunder for your Sunday. Speaking of rain, we do still have several flood warnings, as Thomas mentioned right before the break. One of them for the Black River at Watertown that goes currently until 6:45 tomorrow morning, and then several of them for West Canada Creek. One of them at Hinckley until 2 p.m. on Saturday, and then another one for Cast Ridge until 2 a.m. on Saturday. So thankfully the water levels are continuing to go down, although they might come up a little bit because we do have some shower chances in our forecast yet again. Temperatures this morning in the upper 30s to within a couple of degrees of 40. And here's a look at where we ended up this afternoon. 76 degrees for the high. The last time it was that warm, you have to go back to October 19th of 2025, nearly 5 5.5 months ago when it was 78 that day, and even above forecast for today. We're still sitting at 74 as of the 6 o'clock hour in downtown Utica, but it's under cloudy skies now. Winds out of the west at 9 miles an hour, gusting to 21. That westerly wind helped to stir up those warmer temperatures today, so hence the gusts. And visibility not an issue right now. Dew point is rather pleasant at 57. The question is, can we keep that warmth going into the weekend? And unfortunately, the answer is no. It'll still be mild as we head through Saturday, but it'll be breezy, rather cloudy with a few showers and even a thunderstorm as we head into the afternoon or evening. Sunday, we'll start with temperatures in the 50s, but then it'll fall throughout the day with thunder showers. It becomes quite windy, and then we'll fall into the 40s and stay there on Monday with a few snow showers. There could even be a rumble of thunder, as I mentioned, for your Saturday, but for most of us, we're not looking at any severe weather. The greatest threat of that would be to the west of Interstate 81. However, with any storms that do develop out there, there could be some gusty winds to 20 to 35 miles an hour and maybe some heavier rainfall because the ground is so saturated. As we head through your Sunday, your sunrise is at 6:40 a.m. We'll be dealing with temperatures in the 50s, falling throughout the 40s throughout the day. You'll notice by 6 p.m. we're already down into the lower, if not the mid-40s. And the radar is showing us that we do have some showers down toward our southwest and up toward the northeast as well, thanks to a cold front that is moving in from the west at this time. And that'll be with us through our Saturday. It'll kind of stall over us. So just depending on your location is where you'll see the warmest temperatures. So down toward the southeast, we'll have temperatures reaching or exceeding 60 degrees. Up toward the northwest, you're a little bit chillier than that. And then we'll see those showers moving through as we head through the afternoon into the evening hours. As far as your 7-day forecast is concerned, we'll be seeing temperatures running below normal through at least Tuesday. Once we get beyond the weekend, then we'll see some sunshine and warmer temperatures return as we head into the middle and end of next week. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
11:12 is now the time on this late Friday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some milder temperatures for your Saturday, but unfortunately it doesn't last into Sunday. Sunday is wetter and cooler, and it looks windier as we head into our Easter Sunday as well. Let's first take a look at those flood warnings that Thomas mentioned right before the break. They are continuing to be scaled back, which is some good news. We only have 2 of them left now, one of them for the Black River at Watertown until 3:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, the other one for West Canada Creek at Hinckley. That continues until 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. That includes the village of Newport, which Thomas talked about before the break as well. As far as today's high temperatures were concerned, it was absolutely lovely, almost summer-like out there, at least very late spring-like. 76 of the high after starting the day at 40 degrees. Mind you, our average high for this time be around 50 degrees. We're well above that by almost 30 degrees, and we were well above average this morning as well. Our average low at 31. Obviously not a record, but the record was 87 set back in 2010, but this is the warmest day that we've had since October 19th of 2025, almost 5.5 months ago, when it was 78 degrees today. So we came close to that, and thanks to the sunshine and that southwesterly breeze that we had out there, it was actually warmer than what we were expecting. We were expecting to get into the low, at least the mid-70s in some cases, but we exceeded that. Right now, 56 in downtown Utica after that high of 76 under mostly cloudy skies. Winds out of the west at 15, and visibility not an issue at 10 miles. Dew point is still at 46, so it's rather pleasant out there. Unfortunately, we can't make the 70s last into the weekend. In fact, we'll only be in the upper 50s to low 60s for Saturday. It'll be breezy with some afternoon thunder showers and into the evening as well. And then we'll start with thunder showers on Sunday. It looks like it'll be cloudy as we head into the afternoon. By that point, we'll see temperatures falling from the low and mid 50s into the middle and upper 40s. It'll be windy out there too. And then for our Monday, we'll see a few snow showers and highs in the low to possibly the mid 40s. We're not under a threat for severe weather tomorrow, but any thunderstorm that does develop in the afternoon and evening could produce some gusty winds as well as some flooding. It doesn't take much, especially with the amount of rain that we've had recently, to create some minor flooding concerns. And then for your Easter Sunday, we'll get up to around 53 for the high in the morning. Temperatures falling throughout the day with windy conditions and some thunder showers, and it looks like we'll see the precipitation coming to an end. The radar is clear of precipitation, and it looks like it's going to stay that way through most of the morning hours tomorrow. It's not until the afternoon that we see those thunder showers moving in, and they stay with us through Easter Sunday. For both Monday and Tuesday, we could be looking at a few snow showers, and then by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we'll be dealing with a mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures returning to pretty close to average, if not a little bit above that, to close out the following work week. Thomas, back over to you.
Thank you, George.